to nature park. Okay, kahit maulan.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Natural Park. Natural Park?
Nature park.
Nature Park.
Nature park of
Nature Park
Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa.
Located at Irawan.
Palawan. And you know what guys?
No.
Nakalimutan namin yung payong
You see this one, no? Look at this one.
What's that? Oh!
Hey,
What's that, love love?
I don't know.
The Imperial Penguin.
Yeah.
Penguin ba?
Yes.
Is it penguin?
Pig yun. Penguin.
Penguin.
Skyline big and fly.
Da-da-da-dan.
Nice.
Oh, we're here at Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. Conservation here. Conservation Center. Wala.
Okay.
Getting to know your wildlife. Hi guys, punta po kami dito sa Wildlife Survival.
Kaiiyon ra ba ko?
Pwede ba kami hirap yun? Opa, it's raining.
Ma, check na to dito, ma. Dali ka, dali. Come here.
It's raining.
Yeah, dito na tayo magpahulay sa ano.
Wala. So ayun guys, nagmotor po kami, pinahiram kami ng anak ng member namin.
Saka.
Para po may pang-leksyon kayo.
Ikutin na, sulitin natin 100. Sayang.
Ah. Serpent eagle.
Ah, isa?
Yeah, serpent eagle.
Oh. Nalibot na. So ayun guys. Nalibot na po namin. Halos lahat.
Ano halos lahat. Konti pa lang.
Pa ako na po video sa mabe. Love love. Ako na
Sige,
po video sa
sige,
mabe.